to Real Talk today. I am Miko, your host, and we have an intriguing discussion lined up for you. Beauty pageant, is it empowering or exploiting? Today, we have three incredible guests. The guest one will be a father of a beauty pageant contestant. The guest two will be a social critic. And our last guest is a pageant judge.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Glad to join this conversation. I'm excited to discuss this topic with you all.
So let's dive right in. Beauty pageants have been around for decades. Some say they empower women, giving them confidence and opportunities, while others, like our friend the critic here, argue they objectify women and set unrealistic beauty standards. So, as a father of a beauty contestant, what is your take about on this topic?
So, for my daughter, pageant and with fantastic experience, she learned confidence, discipline, and leadership skill. It's not just about beauty, it's about personal growth and ambition.
From a father of a beauty contestant. Now, but Mark, I know you have a different view. What are your concerns about beauty pageant as a critic?
Absolutely. I can't ignore that while some contestants gain benefits with these competitions often reinforce narrow beauty ideals. They judge women primarily on appearance, and that can be damaging, especially for young girls who feel pressured to conform to unrealistic standards.
That's a great point. And as a pageant judge, do you think pageants have evolved to be more inclusive?
Definitely, many modern pageants now focus on intelligence, talent, and social impact rather than just looks. So let's put to the positive side. We've seen more diversity in contestant by positivity and advocacy-based scoring. Pageants can completely join to be a way to celebrate women's achievements beyond beauty.
Evolving, but the debate still continues. How do you respond to critics who say pageants still prioritize beauty above all else?
So, I understand that concern, but I think it's depend on how you approach them. Many contestants use this platform to promote change. I know women who use pageant scholarship to pass their education and launch careers in various fields.
Alright, so Mark, does this address your concerns?
So I respect that some women gain opportunities from pageants, but I still believe they send a mixed message. If we truly want to empower women, we should focus on achievements, skills, and intellect, rather than physical appearance being a major component.
Alright, so that's a valid argument. Friends, what's your response as a judge of a beauty pageant? What is your response about this?
I think it's about balance. The pageants can coexist with feminism if they continue evolving. We should celebrate all aspects of women, including beauty, intelligence, and talent without reducing them to just one factor.
A fascinating discussion. It's clear there are strong arguments on both sides. Whether beauty pageants empower or exploit women depends on perspective and context, right? Thank you to our guests for their insights, and thank you to our audience for tuning in. Until next time, stay informed and keep the conversation going. Goodbye.